Well, good morning, everybody. Sorry about the background noise. I'm down here in downtown Mineral Wells, getting ready to start the first day of a 4-day training program for a new operator of our GF6 AquaLocate GF6 seismoelectric system. Anyway, the owners of the 𝗚𝗏𝘆𝘀𝗶𝗰 Market and Bistro are allowing me to use a space that they have available sometimes to do the classroom portion of the training today. So I'm going to be doing that anyway. While I wait for him to arrive, I'm going to take a little stroll down the beautiful main street of Mineral Wells. It's not Main, it's North Oak, but you know, whatever. Anyway, things are changing in a real positive way around here, and I thought I'd give you a view of what's going on. We had a great what they call Merry Wells, second year of Merry Wells. It was a really fun time here. Anyway, if you want to know more information about the AquaLocate GF6 seismoelectric system and how you can get a hold of it and use it either with your existing business or help people, even if you don't have a business, you can do that. If you're a nonprofit and your job is to find fresh water for people in other countries, third world countries, this system is the system for you. There are nonprofits around the world using it now, not as many as there should be. There's one in Guatemala. They've just moved to a new location to help another few villages down there. There's two in Kenya using it for different various purposes. And there needs to be more. So if you want to know more about it, call 800-251-2920. We'd love to share information with you, tell you how their success is going. It's quite good. One of the operators in Kenya went from about a 50% success rate with other sciences or just general choices to almost 100% success rate using the GF6 seismoelectric system. And in fact, he says he's at 97% overall and 100% when he's directly involved with the drilling program. So anyway, we'll see. Honestly, if you operate the system right, follow our protocols, your success rate will be very high, I'm sure of it. Anyway, more information, go to AquaLocate on Facebook, message us, let us know if you have any questions. We'd love to talk to you more about it. Anyway, I'm going to walk over here. Sorry about the weird thing. This is the new market at 76067 here in Mineral Wells. I'm going to run over there and see if I can get a cup of coffee. All right, you guys, have a great day. Don't forget to message us and ask us any questions. See ya.